Welcome to the over 3/under 6 hybrid bottom. This bot is built to help traders follow a structured digit trading approach instead of placing random manual trades. On the left side of the dashboard, the bot settings allow the user to choose the market symbol, set the starting stake, define a target profit, and control the maximum loss. These settings are important because they give the bot clear limits before trading begins. At the center of the screen, the digit distribution panel shows recent market digit behavior. The bot studies the last tick digits and highlights opportunities around two key conditions, over 3 and under 6. This hybrid approach is designed to look for digits that fall within a more favorable probability zone, while still keeping the trading process simple and visible. Below the distribution panel, the profit curve tracks performance over time. As trades are placed, the curve helps the user see whether the bot is moving upward, recovering, or approaching a risk limit. This makes performance easier to follow than relying only on individual trade results. On the right side, the trade log records each trading action. The bot completed 19 trades in total. Out of those 19 trades, it won 14 and lost only 5. The bot successfully reached the take profit target of $10 and closed with total earnings of $10.80. Trade with us today now by accessing our free bots on www.derivbots.com.